Hi friend, in last video we have created the users. Now we are continue with the command. So how you can check either this user is created or not. So you can check in home directory joy folder is created or not. Now I can see this joy is created. You can check els space hyphen lrt. This parameter is used for this archive. Whatever the files which are available in dot format, these are displayed using ls space hyphen ela. These three files are automatically created from /etc/scale. Here these files are available, and this path is by default under cd space /etc/user add. Here the path is mentioned scale is equals to /etc/scale. There is mentioned shell is equals to /bin/bash, their home directory, their group, and these inactive and expire. These entries are available inside it, and it's take while creating any user from this file. Now I can check the ID. What is the ID for this user? Now I can see the user ID 500, GID, that means group ID, and this is the group. You can check it under /etc/password. This user is created with the entry joy, that is username, X is password, 500 is your user ID, second one that is group ID, this is your home directory, and this is the scale. You can check this password entry under /etc/shadow. For this joy, this is the password. It is in encrypted format. You can use the grep to check the specific user. You can the output is reflecting only for this joy user when I use the grep space joy. Now how we can delete this user? Using user del space hyphen r space username. You can check under /etc/password. This file is automatically removed. Also under /etc/home, this joy user is now deleted, or you can say the directory is removed from this path. Again I am creating user. You can check it as a /home. Joy is created. Now I am checking the ownership for this user using chown space ls hyphen ld joy. This is the user and this is the group. This is the ownership, and small d is defined here for directory. If suppose here hyphen is option, then you can check the option for this ls space hyphen lrt space a1. Hyphen is option used for the file, and small d is used for directory. Here you can see rwx, then hyphen 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 hyphen. That means this read write and executable permission is used for user. First three is used for user, second three used for group, and third one is for other. So this read write and executable, so the value of read is for write for 2 and x is for 1, that means 700. Now I can change the ownership using ch own space root, giving the owner that is Joy, and the group I am assigning root space Joy. Now again you can check ls space hyphen eld. Whenever you are checking the permission for directory, you need to use eld. Now this ownership has changed. The user is Joy and the group is root. Now the permission are same. That means this directory you can use for this Joy having the permission read write and executable, group and the others not having the permission right now. Now I am changing the permission for this directory using chmod space 755 space Joy. Now you can check using ls space hyphen eld space Joy. Now the permission has changed. First three for user, second three are hyphen x, that means read hyphen executable. There is no write permission for the group and other. Now how I can get the information about the user? Using finger command, finger space username. You will get the information, their login directory, their shell. These are the information display under this finger command. Using ps space hyphen u space username, you will get the, or you can say the display the processes using this user. Whatever the process are running with the Joy user, it will display using this ps space hyphen u space username command. So today we have covered this all basic commands and how to use run levels and users, how to create the users and how to use this user. So thank you guys, thank you for watching this video.